So here we are in Calanova, Mallorca, at the Galeon test drive event. We've already done a video of the 405 HTS, and as you may notice also the weather this afternoon is not the best. It does rain sometimes in Mallorca. But the reason we're stood on the 460 Fly is that there are a lot of features on this boat that are common to a number of the boats in the Galeon range. The first of those features is the carousel package. The carousel package gives you a aft seating area and sun pad that is able to rotate 360 degrees. The second feature that is also available on all models above 42 feet is the beach mode. Another feature as part of the beach mode pack are these full height glass opening side patio doors. Both port and starboard can be completely opened, and once open will create a bar area, as you'll now see. We have recently become the Galeon dealers for the Balearic Islands, Baltic coast of Germany, Portugal, and as of September we will also be the UK dealer. So my first impressions of the Galeon range is that they have a boat for everyone. We've got sports boats starting from 32 feet, we've got Flybridge boats starting from 40 feet, we've got sky decks from 47 feet. There really is something for everyone. All of the boats have some very common features: very light, bright, airy, excellent quality joinery, lovely upholstery choices. There's a very versatile range, family friendly, a boat for everybody. So whilst we're at the event this afternoon here in Calanova, I thought I'd just take you through some of the features on board this Galeon 460 Fly. And this particular boat has 3 cabins, an owner's state cabin, a forward cabin and a twin bunk cabin. I hope you've enjoyed this brief introduction to the Galeon range, and we look forward to seeing you at some of the boat shows later this year. If you'd like further details, please contact sales@argogaleon.com or visit our website, which is www.argoyachting.com.